Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change the layout in the printer settings on your Canon i-SENSYS MF657Cdw. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to the menu. Now here in the menu, go over to function settings and go to printer. Here we need to go over to printer settings and scroll a bit down until we see the layout. Now here we can change the layout of the binding location, gutter. We can change the front and the back of the offset short and long edge. And as you guys can see, that's it. So here we can change the inches. And now we can simply apply it right here after we change something. And here we just go back. So that's basically it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment. And I'll see you in the next one.